everyone, and welcome to week 5. We have a full week yet again. I know your summer's been jam-packed with a lot of homework, and you're all doing really good. We're now over that halfway bump, if you will, and I'm proud of ya. Just hang in there. So this week we're going to be starting Outlook and Access. So don't forget, you have your check sheet ready, the course schedule, and check your items off as you go, your homework. So this week is a little bit challenging. You might recall when I did the movie or the tutorial for the schedule, I kind of briefly talked about how Outlook is a little bit challenging when you do it. Outlook is actually, there's no homework for it. You're going to be using geometrics, and so you're going to complete one training and one exam. I don't care which ones you do. I gave you a couple of options. Just pick one and then try to get them done. With that said, it doesn't always work on your computer. You may find that you might have to shut down, maybe take it off, put it back on. You're going to have to try to figure out a way to get it done. I don't have any best practices for you. However, you may want to set aside some time to come to campus. Now, I work in Ada County, as you know, and all of the computers here actually have geometrics on them in our labs. I'm not for sure if Nampa or Canyon do. If they don't, you can still download it on there and it'll wipe off at night. Take a look at the Microsoft Office exam materials in Blackboard where you got the geometrics instructions before to download to your computer, and take those with you when you go to campus if you have to. Either way, just get her done. Don't wait till the last minute and tell me, oh, I couldn't do it. I hate giving zeros. Please try to get it done, and don't wait in case you do run into problems. And you're going to run into problems. Everybody does. Next, we're going to go right into Access. You're doing Chapter 1. Chapter 1 is by far the easiest. So out of all of the Microsoft Office programs, Access is the hardest. Honestly, it really is hard, and it's unforgiving. You may find yourself having to start over a couple times. That's fine. I did create movies, so you'll see a lecture along with the chapter reading pages, the PowerPoint slides. Don't forget to do your simulation first and your reading first, then go into the actual greater project. The only thing left after that is your research paper is now due. You will find that in this week's Blackboard weekly shell, week 5, down at the very bottom. I've set aside, or I've created a little tab, if you will, a link for you to upload your paper in there. I'm looking forward to reading it. I got a chance to kind of go through and look at the drafts when you did the proofs. So now I'm looking forward to reading the final product. All right, that's it. Keep practicing your Excel geometrics over the next week or so. Do all of the trainings and exams that you can. Try to get a 70% or higher on at least 70 to 80% of those trainings. Don't just do a couple and call it quits. Do as many as you can. That's my advice and suggestion for you. All right, you all know what to do. If you've got questions, use Ask Dr. Barn, a question tab in Blackboard. Have a great week, everybody.